Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Gather materials before you begin to avoid interruptions. I recommend 6 palm leaves cut to 10 inches each for balanced structure. Use a 4x4 inch waterproof liner or small plastic jar to protect the base. Prepare a 2-inch floral foam block to hold stems and water. Trim each leaf base with a 1/2 inch slit to allow tight nesting and easier folding. Keep a 12-inch natural twine and scissors within reach for later securing. Start the vase by folding each leaf at 3 inches from the base. Position leaves upright in a circle and begin an over and under weave. Alternate each leaf to maintain an even pattern and tight wall. Press the folded bases together to form a compact ring that will hold the liner. Use 12-inch natural twine to tie the base snugly and add a 3/5-inch wooden skewer through the base for extra stability. Trim excess leaf tips for a neat rim. Insert the 4-ounce jar or the 4x4 inch waterproof liner into the woven palm ring. Fit the 2-inch floral foam inside the liner to anchor stems securely. Add 3/4 cup water to the liner, enough to soak the foam without overflowing. Arrange flowers by inserting stems into the foam evenly, keeping total floral weight under 2 pounds for balance. Refresh water every 2 days and change foam after 7 to 10.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.